Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Yahoo Fantasy Football League in just a few simple steps. First, open the Yahoo Fantasy app or website and log into your account. If you don't have one, create a new account. Click on Create a New League, then choose your league type, Redraft, Keeper, or Dynasty. After that, name your league and select your league size, 8 to 16 teams. Next, pick your draft type, whether it's standard or auction, and click Next. Now you can customize the league settings, including scoring and roster positions, then hit Next. To invite friends, simply share the invite link via email or social media. Once they join, set a draft date that works for everyone. When you're done, click Save, and your league is all set up. That's it. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more fantasy football tips.